Before we dive into the review, let's talk about why a dashcam isn't just a gadget, it's your silent witness on the road. Whether it's capturing unexpected moments, protecting you in disputes, or simply logging your journeys, a dashcam gives drivers peace of mind and proof when it matters most. In a world where anything can happen in seconds, having a dashcam means you're always one step ahead. Let's see what the Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro brings to the table. Alright guys, so in this video we are looking at the Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro. The best thing about this camera is that it gives you 3 different angles. One in the front, one in the cabin, and one on the rear. And advanced features like HDR, voice control and smart parking modes. And not forgetting the Sony STARVIS 2 chip, which is a game changer for dash cams, especially if you're serious about capturing crisp, reliable footage in all lighting conditions. And here's the best part, one of you watching will win this exact dash cam. Stick around until the end and I'll tell you how to enter. Inside the box you'll find the main unit, a rear camera, the magnetic GPS adhesive mount, Type-C car charger cable, USB-C cables, a cable hiding tool and cable clips, warning stickers, 2 magnetic mount bases in case you need a spare, 2 adhesion promoters, static film sheets and a handy instruction manual. Vantrue generously provided me with a CPL filter which helps reduce reflections, enhance contrast and boost saturation, all while maintaining natural color tones in your footage. They also included a 64GB SD card that supports both 4K and 1080p Full HD video recording and playback. Both of these are available as optional extras if you want to pick them up. Let's talk design and build quality on the Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro and why it really stands out. The N4 Pro is slightly bigger than most models, but its larger size is understandable as it has 2 cameras. However, the magnetic GPS mount makes it easy to remove or adjust. From the moment you pick it up, the N4 Pro feels solid and premium. It's got a sleek matte black finish. Vantrue clearly didn't cut corners on design. The hinge for adjusting the angle feels sturdy, no flimsy plastic, just quality. It also packs a 3.19 IPS display that's sharp, bright and flush with the frame. It has some buttons on the bottom to adjust the recording setup and camera view. Your power button is on the side and the SD card port is inside there. The mount feels rock solid and sturdy, and I found the swivel mechanism makes it easy to adjust the camera angles. With the rear camera, you also have a rotational aspect so you can point it up or down to get that perfect view of the road behind. Overall, the N4 Pro looks great, feels premium and is built to last. I've decided to mount the camera right here, just behind the rear view mirror. As my car has this block in the middle, this keeps the dash cam out of my line of sight when driving. This is where the voice control comes in handy, being able to lock videos rather than having to press a button. I've attached the mounting pad to the windscreen which uses 3M adhesive, which holds it really firmly in place. Next, I just slide the GPS mount onto the pad. And finally, the USB-C power cable plugs in right here. The front camera mount uses a clever magnetic design, making it super easy to pop the dash cam on and off whenever you need, so there is no need to take off the whole mount. I found the installation was really easy. I was lucky as I didn't even have to mess with any pillar trims, but if you do, Vantrue actually gives you a trim removal tool, which is a nice touch. Honestly, all I had to do was stick the front and rear cameras in place, run the wires, tuck them away, and that was pretty much it. Let's power on the dash cam and link it up with the app. Right away, you'll notice the front camera, which captures 4K footage with a nice wide field of view. You can also see the cabin and rear cameras, so you've got a complete view of your surroundings. Switching between these camera angles is easy, just press the button located right below the screen. Before you get started, be sure to download the Vantrue app, available on both Android and iOS devices. Once the app is installed, simply connect to the dash cam's Wi-Fi network. You can now see a live feed straight from the camera. I found the app incredibly user-friendly and straightforward to navigate. You can easily toggle between camera views directly within the app. Adjusting the resolution settings for each camera is simple too. Plus, the app lets you select which cameras to record from, so if you prefer a bit of privacy, you can turn off the cabin camera with just a tap. This is where you can switch on Vantrue's Plate Picks feature, which enhances license plate clarity using AI and HDR technology, making plates easier to read in. It adjusts resolution and frame rate in real time for sharp, detailed footage even at high speeds. You can easily adjust common settings like the screen timeout to prevent the display from staying on constantly, and set how long each video clip records. The app is incredibly user-friendly and straightforward. I like the way the N4 Pro gives you all-round protection for your car, even when you're not around. It boasts 4 smart parking modes, it captures motion before it happens, records impacts like hit and runs, and saves power with low bitrate and low frame rate recording. To use these features, the dash cam must be hardwired for constant power. One of the great features is voice control.
Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Take photo. Lock the video.
You don't need to reach over and press buttons while driving, just say a quick command, and the dash cam takes care of the rest. Whether you want to save a clip or take a photo, I found it convenient and was able to keep my hands on the wheel. Another feature I really liked was how quick and easy it was to download videos from the dash cam to my phone using the fast Wi-Fi connection. All the locked videos, like ones triggered by an impact or saved manually, are stored in a separate folder, so they don't get overwritten during loop recording. I've got mine set to 3-minute loops, so each saved clip is 3 minutes long. Once they're saved to the app's device folder, you can trim and export them straight to your phone. The built-in GPS is great if you wanted to track your driving route or see where a clip was saved. The footage is crisp and highly detailed, with license plates remaining easy to read even from a fair distance.
I think the cabin camera is great quality, has a wide field of view, and the audio that's picked up from it as well is amazing.
The infrared lighting, which is hardly visible inside the cabin, gives brilliant clarity at night time. Thanks to STARVIS 2 and HDR technology, nighttime recordings maintain strong clarity and visibility. I have never had a 3-channel dash cam before, and I like the peace of mind it gives you being covered from all angles. The front camera picks up all the action on the road. The rear camera has your back, literally, whether it's tailgaters or someone hitting you from behind. And then the cabin cam is great if you're doing Uber, Lyft, or even to protect against any false claims of mobile phone use whilst driving. I like that it gives you way better protection, solid insurance evidence, and way less stress if something ever happens. Basically, you're covered from every angle. I put together some sample videos so you can see what the N4 Pro's quality looks like. Hard to believe, but Vantrue is celebrating their 10-year anniversary this year. They've really come a long way since launching in 2015. For me, I did my first Vantrue dashcam review 9 years ago, and I've seen firsthand how much they've evolved. From those early models to today's advanced cameras with 4K AI features and improved reliability, the progress has been incredible. It's been amazing to watch their journey over the past decade, and I'm excited to see where Vantrue goes from here. Here's how you can win a brand new Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro dashcam. This is a free prize draw and is open to UK residents aged 18 or over. To enter, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Leave a comment below telling me what feature of this dashcam you'd use the most. The closing date for entries will be in the description. I'll pick one winner at random from the comments and announce them right here on my channel. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed or administered by or associated with YouTube. The prize is supplied by our friends at Vantrue. Good luck, and remember, I'll never ask you for money or personal details except for the winner's delivery info after they've been confirmed. Stay safe, and I can't wait to see your entries.